Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to invest regularly on Trading 2 and 2 for free. This strategy also avoids hidden fees of 0.7% and lets you invest as much as you want into your stocks ISA account completely passively. It puts your Trading 2 and 2 account on autopilot so you can set it up once and then just totally relax and just check in every now and again to see how your investments are performing. We're going to be doing it step by step today, so let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is to set up a standing order in order to fund your Trading 2 and 2 account. Starting from the Stocks ISA section on the Trading 2 and 2 app, click where it says Cash. This will give you the payment information you need to set up a standing order. Note down their general bank details along with your specific payment reference. Using the incorrect information could lead to delays, or at worst, your funds could even get lost. So be sure to triple check all the details before you actually set anything up. The only place you should be taking this information from is within your account on the Trading 2 and 2 app itself. Also, as the payment reference itself is totally unique to you, you need to be really careful when entering this in. From there, you head out of the Trading 2 and 2 app and do a standing order from your own bank account. Also, the account you're using to fund Trading 2 and 2 needs to be a current account rather than a credit card or savings account. You're going to organise the payment to be a set amount. So if you ever want to adjust the amount required to fund your Trading 2 and 2 account, you'll need to edit the details from your banking app once again. Select the date and frequency so that the funds will arrive a few days before you want to actually invest, as there can be a slight lead time when the funds transfer across. You're already halfway done by setting up the funding of your account. Next, you have to tell Trading 2 and 2 what to do when the money actually arrives. From the Stocks section on the Trading 2 and 2 app, click on the pie chart button at the bottom of the screen and scroll down to where it says Create Pie. Social pies allow you to copy someone else's strategy. I always recommend fully researching your options before investing so that you know exactly what you're doing and to avoid taking unnecessary risks with your money. Selecting Custom Pie will let you choose your own investments. Use the search bar to add what you want to invest in and tap Continue, followed by Next once the weightings have been set. In this instance, I'm putting everything into one ETF, and so that's got to be set to 100% before I can move on. Finally, name the pie and click Create Pie. Now it's going to ask you to fund your pie. This means transfer money into it. But in the case that you don't have any so-called free funds, the other payment choices will cost you 0.7%, which is a terrible deal. The next part is where things can go wrong if you're not very careful. So please watch this closely. You need to avoid these other payment options at all costs. And so we need to find a way to use the free fund option. Click the X at the top to go and back out of this screen, and it'll take you back to your pie. Scroll down to where it says AutoInvest, click where it says Off, and set your recurring deposit amount on a schedule that suits you. It should ideally be a few days after the bank transfer is set to. Click Confirm and it tells you when the first investment is going to be made. And that's it. All the hard work is over, and so you just need to sit and wait for the funds to arrive on the dates you've selected. If you're looking for someone to help you with your finances, you can book a free one-to-one call with me through the link in the description to find out about my financial coaching program. Thanks for watching. My name is Ruth, and I wish you all the best with your investing journey.